See this plastic bag? Where do you think it came from? The wind blew it here. In open places, plastic bags are a real problem. They're everywhere.
Do birds or animals get hurt by these bags?
You know who suffers more from these plastic bags? Cows. They sometimes eat them by accident. Birds are not affected that much. Actually, this place is very beautiful. But it's also an old hunting ground from long, long ago, even before Azerbaijan became independent. Here, hunting water birds is only allowed in winter, when the birds come here to spend the cold months. November, December, January and February, so just 4 months. And even then, people can only hunt on Fridays, Saturdays and Sundays. If we look around, we might find empty shotgun shells left by hunters from last winter. See those shotgun shells? That's where hunters hide, in something called a blind, in a little hiding spot. They come early before sunrise and wait quietly. When a bird flies close, they try to shoot. Most of all, they hunt coots, because coots aren't very afraid of people. Ducks, on the other hand, are very shy and get scared easily. But coots, they stay close. They don't run or fly away as quickly.